By the way tunafaa kurudi nyuma.
Funny destination yetu ni wapi?
Red Hill GP Cutting ama sijui Red Hill Cutting. Mambo. Yeah. Leo tuko na mafans hapa. Behind the camera pia kuna. So the farm has decided we go to Twin Rivers. Chanione soja kama ata disrespect B12. I'm going to be trying pork ribs for the first time ever in my life. I hate pork. I don't eat pork. I have changed the rear shock mounts. The mountain imetokana. Ime split. Wewe mbanga. Ni simari imekaa design nyingine. So out with the old. This is the plate. This is the new contraption. Very perfect condition. Mambo kina. Yeah, leo tuko na mafans hapa. Behind the camera pia kuna. Leo tumeamua tupige raundi na the B12. Wasikie utamu ya gari mzee. No plans where we are going. We are just wandering aimlessly. As Gina sema nini? What am I saying?
I don't know. What were you supposed to say?
Oh my God.
Help Daddy. What is he supposed to say?
Twende wapi? So yeah, basically today is just an episode to drive around with this old car to see how smooth or rough how it is. One more thing. I'm having trouble with the front end. I've tried to fix the wobble and the vibrations, especially on the passenger side wheel. So that is a Shell Dendero. That's our origin point. So the farm has decided we go to Twin Rivers. So let's take the B12 there. So as I was saying, I'm having trouble with the front end. You remember the vibrations when you engage third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear upwards? Well, that is sorted already. The issue that is there is wobbling. I'm not exactly sure what else I'm supposed to do. My only theory right now is that I should weld a strut bar on the front end, because I can't think of anything else. I've changed the rear shock mounts, so the car is quiet. Onyesha scenery, onyesha huko kwa Masonko, Limuru environs. So we are turning right, just ahead there, about 200-300 meters ahead. Right here. It's not around town. Yeah, it's just fine. Remember to be steady. Boys, hizo zinaitwa nini? Hizi buildings. Zinaitwa greenhouses. But ideally, you can feel the car is somewhat smoother than it used to be. It rides very smooth, by the way. But now, again, when you get to higher speed, the wobbling kicks in. So no more squeaking noises. I wish you could record yourself and tell them, ulikuwa unaniambia mtu ukienda na hii gari unafaa kuvalia earbuds. Yeah, it was squeaking a lot. Man, right now it's so smooth. Forgive my steering wheel, iko combo as always. I've not gotten to solve that. Niliharibu alignment tena because as I said, ni kama alignment ya computer inaharibu hii gari. So right now we are doing it manually, but the car is smooth. So you are saying, Kainan? Ati tuuze hii gari ama tusiuze?
Tusiuze.
Tuifanyie nini kwanza?
Itengeneze ndani.
Ndani.
Interior.
Interior. So tukishatengeneza hivyo itakuwa sawa? Aya, you want to tell me ni hapa?
Yeah.
Ni hapa tu? Yeah. My friends, we have arrived even without using the road. So what I will do, twende mpaka Kentmere, tupige round. And the roads go, they snake around. Kainan, but we came here with you at once, ndio?
Yes.
You remember ile siku tuliruka bump vibaya sana? But now we use the other route ya Ruaka Banana, but we went back through this side. So yeah, the B12 is handling actually very well. And me having the farm inside the B12, that shows that I am starting to gain confidence in it. And for those asking, it's a carburetor. Bado hatujaweka EFI. Na inakula mlima. The only thing I can do is siwezi finya sana. But Limuru is generally very beautiful place. Hapo chunga kamera isiende nje, naona kuko rafu. Yes.
Bado tunaenda Twin Rivers.
Bado tunaenda Twin Rivers. I just wanted to make the route a little bit longer. So tunarudi. We are just turning around here.
We're almost there.
But this is Kentmere region area. So I'm just going to turn somewhere here. How do I do it? You do it like this. Nilikuwa napigisha boys round kidogo to enjoy the B12. Boys na mrembo. Now let's go to Twin Rivers and see what's up. Amewasha hazards, sijui ameharibikiwa ama amefanikiwa nini.
Huenda na mfumo.
Need to overtake them. So after doing that turn, sasa I can feel the wobble again. That's why I'm 99% sure this thing is about the nini. It's about the chassis flexing. You sasa after doing that turn, I think I have disturbed the positioning and alignment of the chassis, so I can feel the car wobble once again. So yeah, I will go ahead and fix a strut bar, and hopefully that could be the beginning of the end of our problems.
Mimi. Ebu tanyangu. Na kwa nini weta hiyo kwa? Mimi sijatoa. Tukiangu. Unaona kama nimetoa.
So we are back at Twin Rivers. So I don't know if we back outside or inside. I don't know how this goes. Back outside, yeah? So. B12, behave.
Genesis, sexual, Leviticus, Number, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth.
Mami amemaliza kung'ang'ana na yake.
Nikupatia. Play. Come.
I have shown you this wheel several times. This side has a problem. And as I was saying, my theory is that the chassis is flexing. Hopefully, if we can weld a strut bar across the engine, the top mounts, I'm thinking that could solve the problem. That's the B12 for you. It's a waterfall. It's a river that has a waterfall. Mm. Unfortunately, they have denied recording with a professional camera, so the shot might be very dark. I'm recording on my phone. There's a very nice waterfall over there. Munaka, very, very nice, very nice, very nice. Kainan, umewaiona tea plant yenye ina cook tea? Ndio hii. Hii tea inatoka kwa hizi. They dry them, then they do what? They siaga them. They grind them. Tranquility that has been lost in almost every part of Nairobi. Tumejenga kila mahali. The sun is too hot. Then there's water over there. It's very enticing. Guys, simunifunze kuswim kwa hii maji ya.
Nimeona lizard likiingia kwa hizo. Lizard.
By the rivers of Babylon. Do not cross this line. We're just leaving Twin Rivers. Nothing much going on over there for us. Let's go to Red Hill GP Cutting. I am actually quite disappointed. Alafu we came unprepared. Kumbe it's all about picnicking. Hatuna food. So let's go try to find some food elsewhere. Hey, gari imenyamaza sasa, haina kelele. Sisikii huchu huchu huchu. Hey, it rides like a new car, except for the wobble. It rides like a new car. So tumeona when we get to the highway, we get back to Limuru Road, tunapiga right, ndio?
No, sure.
Yeah. Pale juu, yeah, we piga right. It's not very far from there. Red Hill GP Cutting, ama sijui Red Hill Cutting. We shall confirm in a few minutes. Sasa wewe naomba lift up.
Si wanapanga hivyo.
People hate their own security bwana. So hapa sasa ndio sijui sasa chip ndio ile huko nje.
Wapi?
Ona huko dadi. There.
So this is Limuru Road now. So over there ni kutoka Ruaka. Then they are headed to Limuru. So we are going that way. Red Hill Meadows. Meadows inamaanisha nini sasa? Inaniitisha gear 2, gear 3, nikipea gear 3 inashindwa kwenda. What a load of nonsense. Inaenda inaitisha gear 3, but ukipea gear 3 nasema nope. Ama is this the place?
Sure.
I think that's the place. But inafaa ikuwe hata na sign.
Nalipa bustani gani?
No, bustani. I think I should stop and look at the map. Shapita.
Look ile.
Oh, Bustani Garden.
That goat.
Kwani tuko wapi?
That
Si tumepita tu just bustani gani?
goat.
Goat. Goat. Junior hapa. Bustani Gardens ndio hiyo. Red Hill Curtain. Ni hapo by the way.
Oh, so tunafaa kuingilia hapo.
Tunafaa kurudi hebu. By the way tunafaa kurudi nyuma juu.
Kwani destination yetu ni wapi?
Hapa. So tulifaa kuingia hapo bustani.
So ni recent
tulikuwa tumepita. ama hiyo place ni members only. I think ni hapa venye hizo magari zinaingia. So this now is Bustani Gardens, I assume. Must be here. Madam wa Google amesema you have arrived. Acha nione soja kama ata disrespect B12. Hawezi disrespect B12. Niaje? Hapa kuna restaurant?
Kuna restaurant.
Iko side gani? Also. Q? Paka hapa. Keenan over here is very bored. Why are you so bored, my friend? Are you hungry? You're not hungry? You're not bored? So the name of the place, Red Hill Bukati. Nakuona. Clean. Nimeona mama akijificha akifanya kitu kingine hapa. Ideally tumetoka somewhere huko kwa hizo valleys. Huko Twin Rivers iko na huko somewhere down there.
Dad.
Yep, yes. Bikes ziko wapi?
Adole. Ndio hizo nakuona.
Oh, hizo ni bikes daddy. Yenye kamera huwa ina make tofauti kubwa sana. Hello.
Karibuni sana.
Thank you. Oh, so it's the same thing. Hii cutting.
Sorry?
Unasema as in hii huku kwa kucut na the restaurant is the same thing. So let's eat first. Hata ni nini? Nairobi ni hapa tu. Sindiko huko.
Angalia Nairobi venye ni kuchafu.
Full of smog. The city iko huko.
Huko nyuma.
Yeah.
Mario, that's Mario.
Mario kwa wapi? Huyo ni Mario.
That's Mario.
Mwenye kona hati ya
huyo.
Super Mario.
Super Mario. Kanyaga chini usikie venye ni poa. Hebu kanyaga.
Mtu hao anaanzianga na huko.
Ama tupeleke B12 pale ikimbie.
Itaribika ikiendanga
Pale kwa zile haiwezi race pale. Ipige zile corners tu inaitwaje tu drift.
Drift. Drift. Hiyo gari ilikuwa nipeleka hapo kai. Kona aje itaenda.
Buda, na una diss hiyo gari sana leo. Umeidis sana leo. B12 in question ndio ile pale. Looking over there. Shikilia hivi. Shika hivi, shika hapa. Usishike screen.
Sasa nikashika
Kuna this
hata sio picha ni video ina record. It's recording. Usirecord watu. Usirecord watu. Unaweza record mimi tu. Oh, umesema sasa? It's recording like that. You are too close to me like this. Ama ulikuwa unaona my whole face?
So naona hiyo.
So unaona kama venye sasa mom you can see them, ona venye go hungry. Anaonekana wote vizuri. Sasa wewe pia unasonga nyuma kidogo ndio unaniona.
Hivi. Unasema hivi.
Nisaidie kufanya.
Si alikuwa anataka kuona.
Ni tamu. Ni nice.
Na record clean na wewe.
Si iko na accompaniment or something? Okay. Sawa, thank you.
Ni tamu.
Hebu mpatie kaonde yako.
Siko sasa ndio tao. But hapa ni?
Hapa ni Ruaka.
Hapa.
Not sure.
Hapa ama ni
Ruaka.
Dendero Ruaka.
Haya, muulize sasa maswali tu.
Habari yako? What's up? What are you doing? Unafanya
relaxing.
Hiyo ni nini inapita huko? Hiyo ni nini imepita huko?
Ni ile ya kutengeneza na mimi.
Mama watoto.
Wawili tena. Sasa.
So I'm going to be trying pork ribs for the first time ever in my life. I hate pork. I don't eat pork. But these guys over here were many convinced. Someone here is having a tiny burger. Are you proud of yourself? Kila moja iko na moja?
Yeah, it's only one. Unafikia? Sasa what are these? What are these food?
Kwambia burger is boring. Look at this. Just a piece of bread.
It's not boring.
And cabbage. Ama hii inaitwa nini?
It's not boring.
Because it's not cabbage. But let's try the pork ribs.
You?
Hiyo ni nini? Hiyo ni nini?
Tomato. Ketchup.
Okay.
Hawa wamekuwa wengi.
Pork ina taste kama chicken. Want some of this? That's why easy. I don't know what I feel about pork.
It's nice.
Mixed feelings. For some reason ina taste kama chicken. Mimi unajua in my life sijai kula pork.
Hata mimi sijai kula. But it tastes good.
Are you sure?
The sauce.
Hii kitu imepakwa juu. Hii ni nini? Food reviewers. Hii inaitwa nini? Hii kitu inapakwa juu. Yaani? Jamaa wa baga, hii baga naona tu tukifungiwa tu twende tunayaho.
Kama la bega. Leo mwaikula. Mwaikula baga.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Acha kukuwa na hiyo perception in your mind.
Mimi? I'm getting ile aftertaste. The pork is nice. It is tasty. But it has an aftertaste I don't like. Kaina, mimi naona wewe uta crash mara mingi.
You should uta crash.
Nikupige aje? Vita.
Si Vita.
Ya picture. Na ni wapi tunaenda sasa? Nipige picture. Mimi nakuona. Na huyu Kainan anaenda wapi? Ameenda kwa track. This is a racing track. It's a very nice place. Let's go find the go-karts and see if we can race. We are signing our life away here. What is the day today? So I'll show you how you get on the cart and how you operate. Kuja hapa.
Ona kina dada.
Next time tunaenda na claim.
Kainan unakaa kama ninja.
Ninja tatu. Ni plan B if plan A fails.
Unaingia na miwani?
Sini visual aid. Mtatoa aje na taona aje huko. Inafaa kukaa hivyo ama inafaa kukaa hivyo? Hivi.
How do you feel?
Nice. So hiyo kitu cha sila lazima tufunge.
That's nice. Sindio? Wow.
Algo de estar, eso es. Yo creo que sale de estar y la tarde.
No, Daddy. Whoa.
Đó là Kainan. Đây chính là motor.
Dole Kainan. Dole Kainan. Oh. Whoa. Tatiame. Hey. Babe. Hotties.
Sasa.
Kainan amecrash. Kainan, you did it.
So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. We are almost hitting 1,000 subscribers. So see ya on the next one. Please subscribe and share and comment and like the video. Naona napitwa hata sijaenda mbio.